Today, we are on the edge of innovation, awaiting the arrival of a game-changing piece of technology. Join me as we track the journey of the uMR 670 from Shanghai to Poland. As we eagerly anticipate its arrival, we reflect on the global collaboration and innovation behind this groundbreaking device. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Apart from the Faraday cage and cooling, the power connection is one of the three most crucial things needed for the effective launch of magnetic resonance imaging. Unfortunately, currently in Poland, obtaining a power supply takes at least 1 year. And today is that happy day as a team of skilled workers will be setting up the necessary power connection for the MRI machine. I'm so excited of that and happy. As you can see beside me, we are now connecting the building with a 240 square millimeters thick copper cable. This process is quite complex and involves significant electrical work. It means there will be no electricity in the building during this time. You've heard that right, it's going to be a total blackout. During this time, the entire building's power will need to be shut off to ensure the safety of the workers and to prevent any electrical accidents. The installation of the MRI machine's power connection is not simple and involves rerouting power lines and installing new circuits. These are 240 square millimeter copper cables for our MRI. Just look how large they are. The cooling of the MRI machine is a sophisticated process involving cryogens, cryocoolers, and advanced refrigeration technologies. Effective cooling is crucial for the proper functioning of MRI machines, ensuring that the superconducting magnets operate at the necessary low temperatures to provide high-quality imaging. Liquid helium is used to cool the superconducting magnet in the MRI machine to cryogenic temperatures, so approximately minus 269 Celsius. This is essential for maintaining the superconductivity of the magnets. As you can see, we have now power connection. Are you excited to see the next step? If yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on this incredible journey.